Okay, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. This type of material has a larger stone's been split open to show you the faces, or in this case the seam. Going a bit closer. Okay, here's the first piece. Needs to be cut possibly through there, so you can split it open again. See what the opal seams produce. That one's a surprise, gamble-ish if you like. What you're going to end up with, you don't know. And you won't know until you either cut it, try to split it, or cut it and grind down to it. Then if you grind down to it, you definitely know that you've got a piece of colour type material, whereas when you split it, it randomly splits. So the opal might break in halves. This piece has got a bit of a seam there. Whether that's that piece, I don't know. It's got a few hollows there, so that seam could go around there. Looks like a bit of a split there. But until you get it and cut it down a bit and try to split it, you won't know what you've ended up with. I'm just hope that you get something better than what you can see for the money. I hope that is the case. Cheers.